Hi everyone, I am here to help you create the perfect LinkedIn profile picture in just 5 minutes. Let's get started on crafting your best thing. Let's go. So, just sign into your LinkedIn account, select the school or college name and your starting year and end year of the college, and let's continue it. And you're just starting your career, you can just skip this step and you can continue. Next, you can upload a profile picture that should be clear headshot. Make sure your face is visible and well. Customize your headlines because this is what shows your below name, so make it descriptive. And use keywords such as specialist, content creator, or software engineer, etc. Here you can select a resume because your resume consists of all your projects, internships, and your marks, your schooling, etc. and etc. So additionally, it adds automatically and your profile was updated. And now add your profile section, which consists of about, because it should be well managed and it shows all your skills, experiences and career goals. And you can add your past jobs along with your description of your roles and responsibilities. Includes your current position if applicable. And don't forget to add relevant achievements and key skills. Add your education background, including your degree institutions and dates attended. Include any certifications of courses relevant to a profession. List your skills because selecting your skills that represent your expertise and you can connect with many people as I was showing in the video. And you can endorse others of the skills also. Go to your LinkedIn profile settings and create your personalized URL. This helps make your profile easier to find and share. Here when I created my LinkedIn profile, it shows the student at Andhra University Vishakhapatnam. If I want to change that, you can go to edit option and you can edit your own choice, whether you are a software engineer, you're a content creator, you're a front-end developer, you are a back-end developer, whatever it may be, you can just edit in headline settings so that lines will be appear at your profile. As I had written Python developer, and if you want to add your education also in the profile, you can just click on the S and it shows your intro and school in profile also. Otherwise you can leave it and you can save the option. And here you should mention your industry also, whether you are a software developer or etc. and verify now. And here it's a profile picture has been ready and you're ready to give a connections to as many people as possible. This shows you're active and engaged, and you should like, comment and share posts that resonate with you. Regularly update your profile with new accomplishments, certifications or job changes. Here I am sharing my LinkedIn profile in this video just for verification purpose. While I don't have millions of connections yet, it serves as a reference for how to build and maintain a professional online presence. Feel free to take a look and connect with professionals in your field who might have larger networks. The idea is to engage with people and grow together. Adding projects gives you a better connection with more people. Even you can message the HR and the people who are in higher positions, you can directly connect with them and you can gain the knowledge or the information that you want regarding with the company also. It allows you to connect with professionals from all over the world and expand your network. It helps you to build relationships with colleagues, mentors, industry leaders, and potential employers. It is a powerful platform for finding jobs, internships, and opportunities. Many companies recruit directly through LinkedIn, So having a profile increases your visibility. So just go and grab it out. Thank you. Stay tuned for more content. Please do subscribe to our channel.